How to add reviews to your Shopify store. Shopify entrepreneurs, customer reviews are gold. Positive reviews build trust and attract new customers. Today's video will show you how to add reviews to your Shopify store, all in under a minute. Customer reviews hold immense power as they influence buying decisions and give potential customers valuable insights into your products. There are two main ways to add reviews to your Shopify store. The Shopify App Store, so browse the Shopify App Store for various review apps offering advanced features and customization options. So we can go to the apps and then apps and or recommended apps, the Shopify App Store, and here we can just write down reviews or add reviews, and we will have different apps options to add reviews and customize them into our website. And you have a built-in review system, which is optional. While Shopify doesn't have a built-in review system anymore, some older themes might still have a basic review section. So here you can find different themes for your online store, and some of these themes still include a built-in feature for reviews. But the best way to do it for me is through apps. So with the app installed, the review section will likely appear on your product's page. This allows the customers to leave star ratings, written reviews, and even photos or videos. Don't forget to subscribe, everyone, and thanks for watching.